Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the only one trade day indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator gives us buy and sell signals. It shows buy signals with blue arrows and sell signals with red arrows. This indicator works using moving average crossovers, and we can specify the values of these moving averages in the input settings. Let's go through the settings of this indicator together. This indicator uses two moving averages, and we can specify the
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Calculation method and the period for each moving average. We can choose the calculation method from among these options, and we can enter the period for the fast-moving average and the period for the slow-moving average. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.